Good day, everyone. My name is Eunice Foo Yi Chin with metric number 293900. In this video, I will present my interactive dashboard, which I created using Power BI. This dashboard visualizes the channel performance for Ryanmahowlet's YouTube channel. Ryan is a British who has lived in Malaysia for years, and he is famous for his comedy YouTube shorts about Malaysian culture. The reason I chose to analyze his YouTube channel is because YouTube Data API allows for free access to professional accounts performance datasets. Ryan has gathered over 100,000 subscribers with 140 videos, accumulating over 35 million views. Let's start with the yearly overview. As we can see, Ryan started off with a pretty good engagement in 2022. However, he achieved less than 1 million views per month, and he was even inactive between February to July 2023 with no shorts posting. February 2024 is when his channel reaches its peak, with a monthly view of 11 millions. So far into 2025, Ryan is definitely performing better compared with 2022 and 2023. However, he's still slightly far away from his peak view of 10 millions in the previous year. Based on the pattern, we can predict that with regular posting, he can definitely maintain his views and engagements. As you can see, his regular posting in 2024 maintains a very good engagement. These videos contributed to almost 75% of his channel's overall views and engagements. We can see that the monthly engagement graph have a similar pattern with the view graph, which makes sense because typically high view videos will have higher engagement. In the February peak, although the videos have high views, the engagement rate is slightly lower with a mid-orange color. This suggests that extremely high views might dilute the engagement rate. Let's find out why February has such high performance. As we can see, this video got a peak views of 3.6 million, followed by this other video with also 3 million. These two videos have a similarity. They are in the same category of content about the nation swap. So let's take a look at the top videos' performance. As we can see, majority of the top videos are also about nation swap. Therefore, Ryan should definitely do more nation swap content since this content performs the best. That's it for my presentation. Thank you for watching.